Hello everyone, I am Rohini Jadhav. Today I am going to present a seminar based on our project, that is utilization of plastic waste in the manufacturing of plastic and sand bricks. Concept: plastic is a very commonly used material nowadays. Annually we generate 8 tons of plastic. The major impact of plastic waste on the environment is that it takes many years to decompose. In addition, toxic substances are released into the soil when plastic waste perish under the sunlight. Plastic also contributes to the global warming that comes from the production of planet warming fuels. Therefore, to reduce the plastic waste affecting the environment, we have used such waste as a replacement product like bricks. The win-win eco bricks. People are asked to fill PET bottles of 1 liter or more with non-recyclable plastic waste. These include wrappers of namkeens and chips. BMC is paying ₹10 for every kilo of such eco bricks. PET bottles filled with the plastic wouldn't pollute the environment for hundreds of years. It can be used in making roads, benches, tables, tree guards, dustbins, etc. It is best example of good utilization of harmful waste. It is easy to make and will clean up surroundings of non-biodegradable waste. Now let's see how it is handled. Concept of recycling and sustainability has been introduced to maintain the level of natural resources. Plastic is a very common material that now widely used by everybody in the world. Plastic plays a predominant role in reusable in this era as it has compact and light in weight. Common plastic items that are used as covers, bottles and food packages. The great problem with plastic is its decomposition. Solution present in the finding efficient way to solve the problem of plastic waste. So we added this plastic waste into the bricks and create the brick by using plastic waste. It is most economical construction industry and it is also economical and environment friendly solution for the plastic waste. Economy: brick price is near about 6 to 8 per piece for traditional brick, whereas plastic bricks cost 2.5 to 4 per piece. Cost of 1 square meter wall is 960 for traditional brick, whereas plastic bricks are just 480 rupees. Here's the methodology: batching, burning, mixing and molding. First of all, let's begin with the batching. The collected wax bags are cleaned with water and dried to remove the water present inside the plastic, and it is weighted. The sand were sieved by using 600 micron sieve. The sand and the plastic bags were weighted in various proportions, among which the plastic were taken for burning process. After batching, the plastic bags were taken for burning, in which the plastic bags are thrown one by one into the drum and allowed to melt. The first step of burning process includes the arrangement of stones, drum and required firewood. The stones are arranged to hold the drum and the firewood is placed in the gap between the stones and it is ignited. The drum is placed over this heat step and it is heated to remove the moisture present in it. But as a part of convenience, we are going to perform this activity at MIDC Solar. Mixing: plastic bags are added one by one into the drum until the entire plastic content required for making brick of one mixed proportion is added into it. When this plastic thoroughly by using trowel before it hardens, the mixture has very short setting bags are turned to molten state. The river sand is added to it. The sand added is mixed time, hence mixing process should not consume more time. Molding: the mixture is then poured into the brick mold and it is compacted by using tamping rod or steel rod. The surface is finished by using trowel. Before placing the mixture into the mold, the sides of the mold, that is 19 by 9 by 9 cm, are oiled to easy removal of bricks. Mold removed after 24 hours. These are the project outcomes. It develops an efficient way and effectively utilizes the plastic waste, and most important, less wastage of material. Secondly, it reduces the consumption of natural resources such as clay for manufacturing of brick or tiles. It produces cost-effective materials which a common person can afford easily, as the manufacturing of this brick is cheap. By the research paper, it is proved that plastic brick has more compressive strength as compared to the standard bricks. Lastly, plastic bricks are economic, so automatically it reduces the cost of construction. Come to the conclusion that waste plastic, which is available everywhere, may put to an effective use in brick. Plastic sand bricks gives an alternative option of brick to the customers on affordable rates. Water absorption of plastic and sand bricks is 0%. Compressive strength of plastic sand brick is 5.6 Newton per meter square at the compressive load of 96 kilonewton. We conclude that the plastic sand bricks are useful for the construction industry when we compare with fly ash bricks and third-class clay bricks. Thank you.